Whoa, think anazi nakuba rapper nge-fashion. Dressing the sneakers is one of my passions. Movie start here, exploring the action. They say they're the best, but I swear they be capping. Now that they put this on captions, finally putting in work for my EP, connecting the dots like I'm stitching. You know it's the drip, the reason I be pimping, walking the boot just to do a quick. Trying to tell you, but you never listen. This niggas tripping, they will never diss me. Got a shambles, why you never pick me? I'm the real one in the city. They visit Cape Town just to see me. Niggas is feeling my energy, you digging it. I'm walking the talk, it's remedy. These kinds of flows, insanity. Even 8 years back, I was killing it. Your younger sister is feeling me. I'm trying to change my community. Sesi best coolers is dalele pulen. Later best we are siskarele konen. Ex wafumani dili holwen. We come a long way, my nigga, let's go in. Whoa. Music, my homie, since the day I was born, the shit has been part of me. I was just writing these lyrics and stressing while you niggas busy with cuddling. I don't mean really